Say it with me, baby. 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 Say it.
Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to today's video. As you can see by the title, I am showing you all how I install my mini twist. I am doing so on pre-stretched hair. If you'd like to see a video on how I stretch my hair, leave a comment below as I'd be happy to share that with you all. Before the mini twist process, I'm going to detangle my hair as it has been free for the past couple of days. Just breathing and just being. I do plan on creating a separate video specifically for my detangling process, so I don't need to include that in every single video. I'm going to go ahead and do this all throughout my hair to prep it for the styling process. Now that my hair is fully detangled, I can get into the styling portion. As I said before, I am doing mini twists on my hair today. Starting off in the back section, I am sectioning my hair with my rat tail comb and fingers. For the first row, I did section it too much, so the section for this first row will be bigger than the rest, as you'll see later on in the video. When creating this style, I personally believe that the parts don't need to be super perfect, especially in the back, as I don't think anybody's paying that much attention to it. And to clip my hair away, I'm using these butterfly clips that I'm pretty sure I ordered from Amazon. If I do find the exact link, I will link that down below for you all. Since I've already moisturized my hair, I didn't really need to add in more product, but I still added in more olive oil and shea butter since I am working in smaller sections than I did in the detangling process to ensure my hair is thoroughly hydrated. Now you see me smoothing my hair with my dimming brush and applying product to my hair. With any style I do, I like to make sure my hair is well detangled and smooth, as I found that is one key that plays a part in how well a style will turn out for me. I've started twisting my hair. When it comes to twists, as I've stated before, ensuring my hair is well detangled and smooth plays a part on how well my twist will turn out. Another thing is making sure I'm not twisting too loose and twisting each strand of hair as I twist. I've explained this part more in a previous twist out video that I will link below if you need a better visual on how that twisting method is. So I'm going to go ahead with finishing off this row and moving on to the next one. Here is when I start sectioning my hair off with the right amount of hair. The sizing of your section will determine the size of your twist, so the bigger the section, the bigger the twist, and vice versa. The reason for me doing these twists is to allow my hair to be free but not too free. I found the more my hair is free, like in a twist out or braid out style, the quicker my hair loses moisture and the more I have to touch up on my hair. Which, if I'm spraying leave-in conditioner in my hair and running my fingers with oil throughout my hair, that friction of me running my hands through my hair will cause frizz. Otherwise, I have to go in section by section, moisturize my hair, sealing my hair with oil, braiding or twisting it back up, and then unraveling in the next morning. In all honesty, I'm too lazy for all of that. I'm tired just by thinking of the process. So this mini twist style is the best for me right now, as it gives me a little break from my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and let you all enjoy the rest of this process. It's pretty repetitive, so I'm going to just let you continue to enjoy the video. And I'll come back in and talk to you all once I'm close to almost finished with my hair. We are finally at the last twist. I'm not sure how long this process took me, but I am tired. This style is definitely worth the time that you put into it, as I do plan on leaving this style in for maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks at the most. So I like to mention that at the front of my hair is a bit damaged due to heat, because I'll explain that in another video, but your girl got a little too heat friendly the past year, so now we're trying to come back from that. But most of the damage is mainly at the ends, as you'll see once I finish up this twist. It is very thin, it is very straggly, so to give it more of a curl, I'm gonna twist it around my finger and then I'm gonna clip it in place with a little clip, and that is gonna help give it more of a curl and not be so straight. As you can see, my hair from the back looks good. So I went ahead with touching up my edges to finish up this look. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you plan on trying this style or just to show some love. I really do hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Thank you for tuning in, my love.